In this example video, we're going to look at review exercise 4-3, and we're going to put together the current liabilities section of our balance sheet. So again, they give us some information. They tell us that the Dorothy Corporation had the following accounts in their year-end adjusted trial balance. They had accounts payable, salaries payable, income tax payable, a short-term notes payable, dividends payable, investments in held-to-maturity bonds, and allowance for doubtful accounts. And they want us to prepare the current liabilities section of the balance sheet. So when we're thinking about current liabilities, these are any liabilities that we have to pay back within a year of the balance sheet date. And looking at those accounts, investments in held-to-maturity bonds, those are investments. Investments are considered assets to us. Yes, they're in bonds, but we are in fact the bond holder. If it was a bonds payable that was coming due within a year, that's when it would be in our current liability section. So our investments in held-to-maturity bonds will not be included. And allowance for doubtful accounts, it is a contra asset account. We don't owe any money for allowance for doubtful accounts. We are simply estimating how much of our accounts receivable we think we will not collect. So that is also not part of our liability section. So we start off with our accounts payable. And our accounts payable, we are expecting $7,200 is how much we're going to have to pay out within a year. Our salaries payable, what we owe to our employees at the end of this current year is $5,800. We have our income taxes payable in total of $4,000. We also have our dividends payable, how much we owe to our shareholders in cash dividends or stock dividends at the end of the period. And we have short-term notes payable. And our short-term notes payable is at $2,500. So we're going to sum those together to get to our total current liabilities at the end of the period. Again, goes into our total column. And in total, we're going to owe $20,250.